Hello, I'm Laura Hurley, the Chief Advancement Officer here at the Irish Cultural Center of Western New England. I wanted to take a moment to thank you for your continued support these past years. I'd also like to take a moment to also remind you that your patron renewal is about to expire. Without it, we wouldn't be here today. We'd appreciate if you could take the time to renew your patronage today. You are part of our success. Let's ensure that we work together to make the Irish Cultural Center of Western New England a premier facility, allowing us to promote and preserve our Irish heritage. We have received some new grant funds that will allow us to start construction of the Performance Center here on site. With that being said, we still need your continued support to ensure it's completed and that we continue to be sustaining. Take a moment and click the link below this video to renew your patronage. Thank you very much.